Hello, this is KathiLee, Crafting with KathiLee. I am here tonight to show you a flip through of the Christmas 25 collage collection from SilverandSparkles. Pam at SilverandSparkles does some amazing digital collections, and I'm going to show you this one, and then hopefully in the next week or so I will show you a project made with it. I am KathiLee. I am a wife, a mother, an avid crafter, a child of God, and I love sharing my creative ideas. I like crafting. I am busy. I have a full-time job. I have a family. We are empty nesters, but we do stay plenty busy even with that. And I like being on design teams and doing challenges because it makes me craft even on days when I don't think I have enough time to craft. So let's take a look at this collection from SilverandSparkles. If you watched my channel before, you will know that I love digital collections because I can print what size I want. I can print how many of each page I want. I cannot print some pages if I don't think I'm going to use them to save paper. And so let's take a look at the Christmas collage collection. First, we'll start with a page I printed on a cream colored cardstock. And this is like strips, not quite 1 inch, I don't think, of different prints that were used in it. You could use this for borders, you could trim it and use it for borders, you could do all sorts of things with it. But aren't those fun? I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Sometimes I use them for pockets. Sometimes I use them for borders. I really don't know what I'm doing with this kit yet, so I may use this for a chunky chipboard journal since people have asked me, a chunky chipboard mini album, since a few people have asked me to do a tutorial on how I do the base of that and maybe some of the embellishments. I probably will have to break that into several. I haven't decided for sure that I'm going to use this kit, but it's just an idea. So there's that first page. The next one are these nice, they could be bookmarks, they could be title pages, they could be tags, this could be a nice border. And again, I just love these images. Now you can see the difference in printing on cream colored paper, and you'll see that more when I bring it up against. Can you see this was that same type of print on white? This is that print on cream. Looks a lot different on that color. So those are cute. I love the little dog. Happy New Year. Probably Mary Berries. Look at those kids. Santa. Just loving these images. The next one are these nice little, you could use them for tags, for embellishments, whatever you'd like. There's that little dog again. What a beautiful candy cane. Look at that. Very dimensional. I love the ornament. These are from Christmas. Let's see. I can't quite read what it says. Christmas bow. Merry Christmas, St. Nicholas. Just awesome images. And again, I don't have a feel for what I'm going to do with this yet. So it's a mystery, not just to you, but also to me. Love the holly. I'm a big fan of holly. Got a gingerbread house there. Some of these same images with the little kids. This I printed on vellum and had a little splotching on it, but I think that's okay because it's on the brick. Try to pull this away so you can see. It's transparent. Has a different look than when you print it on paper. I might tear this and use it on something. I'm not quite sure, but can you see the print through the vellum? Isn't that cool? Leaves all sorts of possibilities. I did print 2 sheets on the vellum because I'm not sure what I want to do with it, but did that. If I need more, I can do more. And we have another page. Now this is printed on white, and like I said, It looks totally different than when you print on yellow. Let me print, or on cream. Do you see the difference in the colors? Huge difference. I like it. I like a little variety when I print. So this one's awful cute. That might be a really cute cover. I do like the St. Nicholas. I don't know that I would do a chipboard album that would be that big. Not sure. This also would make a nice fold it. This could be one side of the page. That could be the other. I'm not sure yet. Time will tell. And again, there's those cute little kids. That pretty candy cane. Look at how bright white his beard is. And then there's a little border with him there. The angel. Snowflakes. Just gorgeous. I'm going to have fun with this once I decide what I want to do. Some of these same images. Now we have Santa in more like a rose-colored pink. Merry Christmas, that tree, the dog, the gingerbread house, the cookies. Love this. So tell me in the comments if you do printable kits. Do you use them? Do you love them? What's your favorite thing to use them for? Ooh, a nutcracker. I like that. Old car with presents hanging from the Christmas tree. Fun little gingerbread house. Cute, cute, cute. You can cut these apart and use the different elements to layer, or you could use this as a background. The choice is yours. The choice is mine. We'll see what I come up with. Loving this. So there's a lot of possibilities. You could fussy cut all of these. I may print some of these again so I can layer them. I don't know. So that again is a look at the Christmas 25 collage kit from SilverandSparkles. Come back again soon, see what I do with it. Please hit the like button if you like seeing this flip through, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. In the video, there's also a link to Pam at SilverandSparkles, to all of her social media and her shop. There is also my Linktree and the links to my social media accounts. And do hashtag SilverandSparkles design team, and you can find flip throughs and tutorials and other things from the other designers on this design team. Thanks for visiting my channel. Please have a great day or night or whatever time it is where you're at, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for stopping by.